Gift Nifty is pointing to a cautious start. The big question, will Nifty's losing streak extend to 4 days in a row? Well, the two biggest positive catalysts. 1. In yesterday's negative session, strong institutional support was seen, with FII's net buyers to the tune of 1,171 crore rupees and DII's buying worth 769 crore rupees, providing a solid boost to market sentiment. 2. The Indian rupee rode back on RBI's support. The USD-INR pair plunges to near 90.00 from its all-time high of 91.56 due to the RBI's intervention. The street's bullish hope now hinges on the possibility of at least one more interest rate cut by the US Federal Reserve next year. Bottom line, the near-term trade setup remains clouded by pessimism and bit bearish technical landscape, but remember this a season of miracles and hopefully lifts the broader market mood. Market trends. The global cues are negative. In yesterday's negative session, FIIs turned out to be net buyers to the tune of Rs 1171 crores while DII were net buyers to the tune of Rs 769 crores. Risky sentiments are likely to prevail for Nifty. Market breadth for the day is likely to be neutral. Nifty's technicals suggest overbought conditions and fading bullish momentum. FNO December month data suggests the trading range for Nifty is likely to be between 25,500 and 26,500 zone. India VIX, the fear index has slipped near 9.84 levels. At last check, USD INR, December, was trading near the 90.51 levels. Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 1.00 levels. Bank Nifty PCR, 30th December, is at 0.72. Nifty outlook, caution remains the watchword as bears continue to lurk around Dalal Street. What technicals tells us on Nifty and Bank Nifty? Nifty, CMP to 5819. Biggest interweek support for Nifty is now placed at 25,693 on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed at 26,100 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 25,700 and 26,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Sensex, CMP 84,560. Biggest intraday support for Sensex is now placed at 84,100 mark on closing basis. Immediate resistance is placed only at 85,300 mark. Range for the day is likely to be between 84,000 and 85,000. Bias for the day is neutral. Bank Nifty, CMP 58,927. Bank Nifty's biggest intraday support at 58,300 mark. Bank Nifty's biggest resistance is now at 59,551 mark. Bank Nifty's range of day is likely to be between 58,300 and 59,300. Bias for the day is neutral. Stock market news. One thing is clear, both Nifty and the Indian rupee are likely to remain under pressure until there is meaningful progress on the US-India trade negotiations. Gyan Mantra for Nifty traders, rallies are likely to invite selling, trade light on leveraged long positions and stay cautious. All eyes now shift to the November US CPI data due on Thursday, a key trigger that will shape expectations around the Fed's future rate path. Long story short, there appears to be limited room for Nifty and frontline stocks to revive the much-awaited year-end rally from here. Stocks in spotlight. 1. Ahluwalia Contracts, India, inched 0.37% higher after securing an EPC civil construction order from the Bihar State Tourism Development Corporation, BSTDC, for works at Punoradham, Sitamarhi, Bihar. 2. Shriram Finance jumped 2.07% to hit a record high after the company announced that its board will meet on 19 December to consider a fundraising proposal. The options on the table include a rights issue, preferential allotment, QIP, or other permissible routes. 2. Indian Overseas Bank plunged 6.45% after the government proposed to divest up to 3% equity in the lender through an offer for sale, triggering selling pressure in the stock. 3. Railtel Corporation of India edged 0.71% lower despite securing a 26.9 crore rupees LOA for implementing advanced IT infrastructure at VO Chidambarnar Port. 4. Diamond Power Infrastructure gained 0.419% after receiving a 57.6 crore rupees LOI from Rajesh Power for the supply of cables. 5. Lupin rose 1.12% after its Nagpur injectable facility received the US FDA Establishment Inspection Report with a voluntary action indicated classification.